Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, privacy glass. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.